Hello and welcome again to investingsuccess.ca and another of our short videos in which we take a look at human emotion, the financial markets, and astrology. If you have been subscribing to my weekly newsletter, the e-alert, the name Fabio Areste should ring a bell with you. Mr. Areste is an Italian mathematician. I do believe he now makes his residence in Switzerland. But the point is, in 2012, he wrote a very interesting book called Quantum Trading, published by John Wiley & Sons. It's available on Amazon, and I certainly encourage you to get it. What he talks about in his book is the concept of harmonic lines. Now, basically what he has done is he has taken the planetary transit line method originally pioneered by W.D. Gann some 70 or 80 years ago, and he has made some refinements to it using what he calls quantum physics. And it's actually not too far removed from what W.D. Gann had been doing. And what he advises is that certainly you should look for harmonic lines that act as support and resistance, and that in and of itself can be a valuable tool to the short-term trader or investor. But he goes on to say that you should also look for periods of time when these harmonic lines intersect with each other, because these intersection points can represent potential turning points on the markets. And again, for the short-term trader who is adept at using short-term indicators like RSI, DMI, stochastics, you can actually use that technical chart tooling with these harmonic line intersection points, and you can get a sense for when the markets may want to experience a reversal. To illustrate, I'm going to use this new software program that I've just purchased. It's called Market Analyst. It has a very powerful built-in suite of astrology-type tools and Gann-type tools. What I've overlaid on this chart of the S&P 500 is a Uranus harmonic line. I've overlaid a Mars series of harmonic lines. And I have further overlaid a series of Jupiter harmonic lines. Now, if we, just to show you an example here, if we go back to April of this year, we can see that the S&P had a bit of a correction. It went from about 1,896 points down to 1815. And then from there, it began to rally again. I want to show you what happened here. Literally within 3 days of that reversal point on the S&P, look what you had. You had the Jupiter line intersecting the Mars line. So this is what Aresti talks about, these intersection points. Watch when they are approaching, and watch for the markets to get short-term oversold or overbought, because generally at these intersection points you will get some sort of a trend reversal. Here's another example, and this one is very ominous indeed. 19th of September, look what the S&P did. Made a higher high intraday, but couldn't hold it and reversed. And that was actually the beginning of this current spell of weakness that we find ourselves in. But Uranus line intersecting with the Mars line right on the very day that this reversal occurred. Going forward in time, here's another reversal. It's coming at us at the end of October. So it is quite likely that the duration of the month of October will be choppy, volatile. However, as we come into the end of the month, there's a number of things that happen. Certainly these lines intersect, but you've also got the planet Mars making its minimum declination, and that usually is a sign of a turning point on the equity markets. You've also got Mercury, which is currently retrograde. It will be turning direct again. That in itself is usually another sign of a change in trend on many commodities, including the equity markets. And so while the talking heads on television are doing the fear-mongering thing and bringing out any number of analysts and experts to prognosticate on what's happening, we can actually turn off the talking heads. We can shut off the television, because we know that at the end of October we have got a series of astro events that are about to occur, plus we've got an intersection of two harmonic lines that are coming at us, and we can be on the lookout then for a change of trend, certainly on the S&P. Looking at a little bit farther afield, we can see that in, let's see, middle of February, you've got another intersection point. And so it's quite likely that at the end of October you may get a turning point on the S&P. It is very likely then that we could experience some sort of an upward trend, and come the middle of October, or middle of February rather, you may have a little spell of weakness again, and an opportunity to take some profits and get positioned for the next move on the markets. And so such is the power of these Oreste harmonics. I really encourage everybody to get his book. As I say, it's available on Amazon. Quantum Trading, published by John Wiley & Sons. Fabio Oreste is the author's name. And if you are on the hunt for a wonderful piece of software that will speed up the application of astrology, I would highly recommend this market analyst software. I'm just in the process right now of buying it. Anyway, thanks for watching this short little video. There's more to come on this YouTube channel, so please continue visiting me. And for those of you that have been following me for some time, I really appreciate it. And again, don't forget to visit me at investingsuccess.ca and give some thought to subscribing to the Astrology e-alert. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching.